Eastern Tennessee is full of majestic scenery. With the surplus of mountains, rivers, and rugged hills, it is an outdoorsman's utopia. Nestled in the mountains between the Ridge and Valley Appalachians and the Cumberland Plateau is an off-roader's paradise called Windrock Park. It is the largest privately owned riding area in the country and boasts miles of trails, waterfalls, windmills, and more. In this episode, we will be exploring the mountains of this bucket list off-road park, known as Windrock. Please subscribe to That Jeep Adventures YouTube. Also, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Alright, so I got the Jeep loaded up, left the house, and made it to the interstate. I'm only running about 20 minutes late, which is pretty good for me. If you've been friends with me for a while, you know I'm going to be a little bit late. If you're the camera guy, you're going to be a little bit late. So anyway, I'm heading to Waffle House, and then meeting up with the crew, and then we're going to be heading to Windrock. Well, since I was running late, they went ahead and ate without me. But that's okay, because they were nice enough to give me a biscuit for the road. So I'm gonna eat. We're gonna be driving for pretty much all day today. But I'm really excited to get to Windrock. I've been hearing about this park for a really long time. 73,000 acres, 300 plus miles of trails in the Tennessee mountains. I don't really think it gets any better than that for Jeep riding. I've been seeing Kyle wave to every Jeep for like the last 3 hours, and not just a single person has waved back to him. So hopefully I can laugh at this the whole way to Windrock. So if you see Kyle, don't wave back at him, please. So we just made it to Oak Ridge and got checked in to the house, met the Airbnb host, and they gave us the line on a good place to go eat dinner. What's it called?
Buffalo Ridge Grill, I think.
Buffalo Ridge Grill.
Beer and burgers, make it happen.
Yeah, we're about to go have craft beers and burgers. So gonna go drink, eat, and come home and go to bed and get ready for Windrock tomorrow. It's about 7 a.m. here in Oak Ridge, Tennessee. We woke up to a beautiful view of the Clinch River. We've been checking the weather and it's been supposed to rain all day today, but when we woke up it looks like they're pushing it back a day, so it looks like only an hour of rain today and we may even get some sunshine. So we're gonna get the Jeeps loaded up and get to Windrock and get checked in.
Basically, I'm here. It started raining on us, and this is Connie. She runs this place. There's a bunch of dudes here, but they're chumpy. She runs the show. Anyway, I needed a rain jacket. We tried the 1X, the 2X. They don't fit, so we went with the 6 trench. It's pretty sweet. Lots of back movement.
Breathing holes.
Neck fat breathing holes, and then also it's a pretty dope hat.
That's terrifying.
I'm just going to 12 today, Matt. Gonna see if I can retain some height. Trail number 17.
Number 17.
Yeah.
So we were headed to 16, but we got antsy and saw 17 first.
Yeah.
And it's a black?
Yeah, black.
A black diamond. And the non-stop rain has this just like a slosh fest. So we made it down 2 big hills, and then we realized that we were gonna get body damage going down the second descent because it was leaning on the driver's side. So now we're about to try to go all the way back to the top of these slick, wet hills. We're gonna try to get up this next big one.
Yep.
And let's hope it goes good.
Full cable, baby.
Winch time.
Yeah. All right, so how long did that take? 2 hours?
Break. 2 sandwiches.
I think we just went for like 3 hours up this hill.
300 feet of winch cable.
Yeah, we've been riding since 11. It's 2. We've been riding for 3 hours and we have not even ridden 200 yards of trail, I don't think. It's been a winch fest.
Especially not if you consider coming back up the hill, so we kind of erased the trail that we did cover.
Yeah, we zeroed it out. We've ridden no trails at Windrock.
We're 0 yards for this game.
Yeah, so we
try
made
a different trail.
Yeah, so we made a sandwich and we're gonna think about what we've
We're
done
gonna
and,
hit some greens.
and regroup. So yeah, find something that we can actually go ride.
We're gonna
so.
go cross some access roads.
Yeah, but the bonus is that the sun's out, and that wasn't supposed to happen. So, and it's Friday, and I'm not working. So, okay.
Yeah, your phone doesn't work.
Right on. Sandwich. After lunch, we got back to our original plan, Trail 16. As we made our way, we ran across a Jeep Jamboree group. It was fun to stop and make some new friends and talk Jeeps. The large group moved along quickly and we were back on the trail. As we closed out our day on Trail 16, we arrived at the waterfall. After a frustrating day of winching and not finding the rocks that we had hoped, this was a fantastic pick-me-up for the group. We hung out here for a while and talked about the hectic morning. Standing next to this serene waterfall helped put our day into perspective. It may not have gone exactly as planned, but these trips are about the journey and experiencing the unexpected. These are the moments that allow us to grow. We left the waterfall and headed back to the general store. Day one was in the books, and we looked forward to getting home and eating some gumbo. Tomorrow is a new day, and I always look forward to new adventures in the Jeep.
All right, y'all, here we go, day two. We're gonna start down here at the bottom as always. Gonna go G1 to G2, hopefully back to some trails in the back of the park. Miss Pam in the front office gave us some good tips on trails to hit, especially on the uphill direction. It's gonna take us way to the back, see a couple of overlooks, and hopefully have a lot of fun.
After over an hour of riding gravel roads, we finally made it to some trails. Typically, when we go ride an off-road park, we will ride 4 to 5 miles in a day. Here, we were able to complete over 37 miles on this day alone.
So the plan for 52 to 72 is not going to happen because 72 is closed for foggy. So we can do really easy trails to get out of here, or we can do mostly easy trails to get out of here. Doesn't look like we have a choice to do any crazy fun trails, so we're going to flip a coin and see what happens.
While most parks that we visit are full of big rocks and one obstacle after another, Windrock is a bit different. This park captures the spirit of true trail riding. It is a perfect reminder that riding doesn't always have to be difficult to be fun. The long stretches of open trail between tough obstacles give you time to take in all that the Tennessee outdoors have to offer. I'm not saying that this park isn't technical. It definitely has its moments, and they happen fast. We winched more here than we have in years, so if you plan on coming to Windrock, make sure your winch is working and you are prepared to cover some miles. There are plenty of spots that were above our rig's capabilities and many trails that we did not explore. The grandeur of this park make it impossible to cover all of its area in one trip, so we will be back and we'll be searching for the trails that we missed this time. Overall, it was another wheeling trip for the books. For years, I have wanted to drive the Jeep through the mountains in Tennessee. Windrock delivered in a big way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to That Jeep Adventures YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram to keep up with our next adventure.